primary suture tip repair and dynamic internal brace augmentation for the partial ACL tears. A fiber tip is used for suturing the ACL from the intact proximal end in a continuous suture pattern by a faster path scalping. After 3 consecutive stitches from proximal to distal, the free end of tape is threaded from the bottom inside to top outside of the ligament by the faster path scalping, and retrieved from the proximal end. The other free end of suture tape is threaded from the lateral to the medial side of the proximal end of ligament. The ends of suture tape are retrieved and loaded to a 4.75 mm vintage safe lock anchor. With the knee at 19 flexion, the safe lock loaded with the suture tape is deployed into the center of the native ACL's footprint. An ACL tibial guide was used to drill from the medial side of the tibia into the articular surface. 2 tunnels were created close to the medial side of the AM bundle and lateral side of the PL bundle. Then a wire loop was advanced into each drill hole, and then put the sutures loaded in the safe lock through the tunnels. After pull-outs of the sutures, they were tightened over the bone bridge at 0 flexion of knee. The tension and stiffness of the repaired ACL is examined by probing. After the physical examination, microfracture on the bone surface above the ankle insertion point is performed.